What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. And y'all heard the title, man. Had a student make $4,000 trading NAS in one day. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we post trading tip videos, trading plan, trading psychology videos, as well as, most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal and free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. So as you can see right here, we're on NAS100. This was a nice 1 to 3 risk reward setup. So that means whatever I risked, I made 3 times that amount. So if I risked $100, I made $300. If I risked $1,000, I made $3,000 off this one trade alone. So now we're going to break down why I even took this setup and how you can catch similar moves like this. So the first thing I like to do is I go on the daily time frame to identify the trend. Again, the reason why we go on the daily time frame is because that's how price moves. Price moves on a day by day, week by week, month by month basis. Again, I'm not trading on the daily, but I'm trading based off the direction price is going on the daily, right? Like we see this rally up here, price shot up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days straight. So if we was looking on the daily time frame, we could have went for buys here, understanding that we're bullish versus possibly going for sells and stuff right here. So if you don't understand how to identify the trend, make sure to pause this video and watch the one that just popped up on your screen. That's going to help you all out, because again, it is very important to understand what the trend is and what direction price is going, because we do not control the markets. So since we do not control the markets, it's wise of us to go with what is most likely going to happen next. If we're in an uptrend, that means we're trending upwards, which means we're most likely will continue to go up. But when we look right here, we see price made this higher high, then broke the higher low to the left. And then when price did the retracement, price struggled to break this higher high to the left, right? We see all these wicks showing price was struggling to break past this resistance level right here, right? We see this resistance level right here that price was struggling to break. So with that huge drop from the week before and price struggling to break this level for 5 days straight, I assume that we could possibly see a lower low get made. Of course, we still have a long way to go, but as of right now, especially since price has been failing to break this level and treat it from resistance to support, I'm going to go for sells. So now that I know I'm going to be going for sells, now all I have to do is mark off my key price levels. All right, bam. Now that I got my key price levels marked off, now I just have to patiently wait for my confirmations. In this case, since I'm going for a sell, my confirmation would be price holding this level as a resistance. That way I can go for a sell entry. So we see right here how price is still treating this level as a resistance, shot up and dropped, missed that sell opportunity. So instead of chasing this sell, I was waiting for the next possible entry point. Now, again, I didn't go for the sell during London session. I took this during New York, which I'll show y'all in a little bit. So again, we want to wait for price to break this level and treat it from a support to a resistance. If price can hold this level as a resistance, that means price can continue to go to the downside and we can catch a sell. I'm going to catch a nice move off this sell setup. Boom. So once I saw price break this level here, I waited for it to close. And once the next candlestick popped up, that's when I called the signal out and entered the sell. So right here, you can see we're in advanced play signal room. Now this was a members only play, but I did break this down during the live stream as well as during the Sunday chart analysis. So you can see the date was January 17th. You see our entry was 16,700, our SL 16,780, our TPs, all that good stuff. You see the New York price watch list. You see all the TPs getting hit, the reactions. Yeah, so excellent. Then we went live the next day during the news. So let's hit the play button and see what price does. right? So price did a nice little retest. Again, we need price to hold this level as resistance. So if price can hold this level as resistance, we can see price continue to push in our favor. And that's exactly what we saw right there. Very, very, very simple. It's just that simple, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description during the free signal room, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how I identify these levels, or interested in the signal room or my mentorship, go ahead and click those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. So the advanced play signal room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.